Find the value of x in the following system of equations. So they give you two equations, so that's why it's called a system. And I need to be able to find the value of x. So if you notice, we have fractions. So the best thing to do is to get rid of the fractions by fraction busters or by multiplying by the lowest common multiple. On the first equation, we have a 5, a 10, and a 10. So therefore, the lowest common multiple between 5 and 10 will be 10. So I need to multiply each of the terms by 10. Basically, we multiply on the left-hand side and the right-hand side by 10. On the first one, you can do two things. You can multiply 10 times 3 and then divide by 5, or you can cancel. So for example, I can cancel divide by 5, gives me 2. 2 times 3 times x gives me 6x, plus the 10's cancel, so we have 1 times y is 1y, or just y. The 10's cancel, so we just have a 31. On the second one, I have a 2, a 3, and a 6. I'm going to multiply by the lowest common multiple, which will be 6. So multiply each one by 6, and by 6. Remember, you can simplify first, or you can just multiply. 6 times 1 is 6, divide by 2, gives me 3x. 6 times 1 is 6, divided by 3 gives me 2y. And on the last one, we can just cancel the 6, so it gives me 17. And now that makes a much easier problem. I need to cancel the x's or the y's. In this case, I can just cancel the y's and I can just multiply the top one by -2 to cancel the y's, because that will make a -2y and it will cancel. So that gives me a -12x minus 2y. Don't forget to multiply the last number, so it's a -62. The bottom equation stays exactly as it is. That cancels, so it gives me a -9x is equal to, subtract, so we have 62 minus 17, that 401, that gives me 12, that is 5, and that is 4. Keep the sign on the bigger number. I'm going to divide by -9, divide by -9, cancel, so x is equal to +5. So your answer is letter D.